At breakfast, at dinner, at lunch, at supper. At home, at school, at college, at work. At night. At present. At sunrise. At dawn. At sunset. At war. At first sight. At times. By chance. By accident. By day. By heart. By mail. By email. By mistake. By name. By night. By phone. By post. Day after day. Day by day. For fun. For information. For pleasure. For relaxation. From beginning to end. From east to west. From left to right. From morning till night. From town to town. From time to time. Hand in hand. In conclusion. In detail. In fact. In trouble. In love. In town. In time. On time. On business. On foot. On fire. On holiday. On sale.